Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 3 of Duval Homeroom. I hope you guys are starting to get the hang of things and just learning how to navigate my work. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I've been posting a lot of suggestions about doing work every day. So that's really my biggest suggestion for you as we go into this week, just so you don't get behind. And if you do a little work every day, it will seem like there is less work, and I promise you that. Things are a little bit different this week, but not too much. So I'm just going to walk you through how to get to everything. And I wish you best of luck on all your work this week. If you need anything, as always, please reach out to me. All my contact information is on the OneNote, and I just really want to make sure that you know and understand that it's my job to help you navigate all this work. So please reach out, and let's get started going through what you need to know for your work this week. So as you know, Microsoft Teams, you click on my team, it should look, I don't know why that happened, something like this. If we go to the general channel, I've posted the assignments for week 4-6 through 4-13. And that'll be your quickest way to get to it. Otherwise, you can always scroll up to Mrs. Harbison's Duval Homeroom. And if you click this link here, that will also bring you to that OneNote page. So let's go ahead and click View Assignment. And I have to go to student view quickly here. So in the student view, it says you can find all your assignments at the following link under the week of 4-6 tab. So if you have not done previous week's work, that would be under a different tab, obviously, but you're going to click this to go to my OneNote page. It's a very flattering picture there every time you log in. So we're going to go down to the week of 4-6 because that is this week. Crazy that it's already April 6th. The biggest thing you'll see right away when you go to Monday is that I need you to interact with every single post on this. If you are not doing that, then you're missing information. And a lot of you are doing a great job on most of the work. You're just missing some little pieces as you go along. And I need you to make sure that you are not missing them. Then there is an introduction to week 3 and just kind of me saying hi. Then you should have created a Quizlet account already. If you have not created a Quizlet account or you seem to have missed that, you need to go back to week 330. And on Thursday, there are links that you need to click for how to set up a Khan Academy account and a Quizlet account. Both of those need to be set up. Khan Academy is not as urgent. Quizlet, you need to have an account. You got points for doing that last week. So if you have not done that yet, you need to do that. And part of your assignment this week is working on Quizlet. So you need to have a Quizlet account. So back to where we were this week. I give you a rundown here if you want to watch this video, kind of how to get there, but you'll be watching or you'll be doing Quizlet for 60 minutes for the whole week. So you get 100% if you do 60 minutes total by Sunday night at midnight. I just did that, so it's a clean cutoff, and because that's minutes per day. So Quizlet, I recommend doing 5 to 10 minutes each day so that you can get your 60 minutes. That should be pretty easy. It's pretty easy to spend time on there, and you're going to be doing the Algebra 1 EOC note cards, and I'll go into more detail about that, so I'm going to stop rambling about that so you can watch that video there. Next, if you've been doing your check for understandings, awesome job. This is a video correcting the check for understanding the Section 8, Topic 8 from last Friday's work. Some of you might have just done it today, which is Sunday when I'm recording this. So that's okay. But if you want to check your work, which I suggest you do, please watch that here. These videos are a great way to just kind of get an extra understanding of what was taught in the previous lesson. Because it is really important that we're still understanding the new work that we're getting. Then you're going to go to Section 8, Topic 9, and watch that on Algebra Nation. You don't need to take notes or submit them at all. You're just going to watch it. Those of you that still haven't figured it out, I can go on Algebra Nation and I get a report of who's watched what video when and what percent of that video they've watched and with what tutor. So yes, I can check if you watch the videos. You need to do it. That's how you get your points. You're doing a Kahoot, which this is really cool. I really like this. You can go through and watch this video. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to compete against your classmates for points. So you'll get 100% for just completing the Kahoot. You need to use your first name and last initial for your Kahoot nickname. But then what you'll do is you'll just go through and do the Kahoot. Excuse me. You get your points for the exit ticket for today. And then you'll be able to actually compete with people that have already done it. And then if you're doing it after people have already done it, I actually did it, which you can kind of see on the video there. So you'll be able to compete against me, but not live. So that's pretty cool. But again, that is required. That's how you're getting your exit ticket points for the day. Tuesday, there's another reminder to do Quizlet. Again, I recommend 5 to 10 minutes a day. So you need to make sure you're doing that every day. Next, you have the lovely pleasure of watching me do your notes. So that's really exciting. So you're going to be doing notes with me on Tuesday, and it says, I want you to take notes on a separate sheet of paper. So you can either have your screen split and be typing notes on one half of the screen, and then watching the video on the other half. Or what you could do is write them down on a piece of paper, take a picture of your notes, and then just submit them. Those notes need to be submitted as an assignment on Teams. So that is something that needs to be done. And the assignment will be called Section 8, Topic 10, Notes with Mrs. Harb. So let's go ahead and we'll create that right now while you're watching. So when I create assignment, this is what it looks like. That's what it's going to be called. Section 8, Topic 10, Notes with Mrs. Harb. Please submit the notes you took during the video of the Section 8, Topic 10, right, notes. This can be a Word document or a picture of handwritten notes you took. You can find the video under the week of 4/6 on Tuesday in the OneNote. So then that's what it will look like. It will be due next Monday, the 13th by 8 a.m. Suggest doing it before then. And then we will sign it. Okay. So that's, you'll come here, you'll click on it, and you'll click on this to submit those notes in a Word form or in a picture, as a picture, or however you choose to do it. All right, so there's the video. The notes are right there. Then again, you're going to do a Kahoot for your exit ticket. Make sure that you need to use your first and last name as your nickname on the Kahoot. And again, if you're not sure how to do that, I posted the video every single day. So that's Tuesday. Wednesday, you are going to make sure you do your little bit of Quizlet that day so that you can get up to your 60 points or 60 minutes by the end of the week. Then this one's going to be a real treat for you guys. There is Section 8, Topic 11 notes that I did on the whiteboard that Coach and I have at home. So you're just going to really like that one. And this is going to be Wednesday, right? Wednesday, Section 8, Topic 11, Notes with Mrs. Harb. So again, you're going to take notes with me as you watch this very totally not cringy video with me. That's going to be due next Monday at 8 a.m. I think you're just going to love the notes. But these ones should be pretty easy because I'm actually writing everything on the whiteboard as I teach you. So hopefully you can just write down everything that I'm writing down. And then again, for your exit ticket today is going to be a Kahoot, first name, last initial. I think it's fun. Again, I did them all so you can compete against me. Thursday, Quizlet. You need to do your time. Then you're going to watch the Section 8 Topic 12 video on Algebra Nation. You don't need to take notes for this one. You're just doing notes on the ones that the videos I made. But you do need to do the Kahoots. You're getting points for this day for watching the video. Again, I can check and see if you've done the video, and then completing the Kahoots. There's two kind of things you're getting graded for on Thursday. Very similar to Friday. Friday, I recommend, again, doing your Quizlet chunk every day. You need to watch Section 8 Topic 13 video on Algebra Nation. No notes are required, but you do need to do this one is the check your understanding on that. So there's no Kahoot exit ticket on Friday. There's just a 3-question exit ticket. It's checking that check for understanding box on Algebra Nation and going to the exit ticket there. So important thing that we are ending the week with, this is not due April 13th. It says April 13th by 8 a.m., but I don't know if I meant that. All right, so you have a week to get this done. I'm probably going to end up changing that just so you know, to give you a little bit more time. It'll probably end up being more like a week and a half. But this is the parent function project. I'm excited about this. Whereas the TikTok project had to be a video, this one does not have to be a video. It can be basically any medium that you want it to be, any form. I just want you to kind of get creative and kind of showcase your talent, showcase things you're interested in order to explain parent functions. Parent functions are basically all the different kind of functions and graphs and equations we have learned this year. So it'll go through that here. I explain that all in the video. And then if you scroll down, you'll see my example, my very cheesy example that I had a lot of fun making. And then underneath that, it has actually the document that I made for the parent function project. So like if we were in class, this is what I would print out and give to you so you have all the information. So parent function project, it takes the place of the Section 8 tests because we're done with Section 8 now. Instead of doing a test for Section 8 because, all this craziness, I don't want you to have to take a test and get graded for that. So instead, you're going to just do this project. The project, oh, I'm so sorry, should be pretty easy. It did not take me very long, and I did a whole video, so you should be fine. So here's requirements for it. Again, it does not need to be a video, but what it does have to do, you have to talk about all of these and display them in some way. You have to do say the shape, the equation, and the name of the function. And you could draw a picture. You could make a video. You could take pictures. You could do some sort of digital document where you make kind of graphs online. That is completely up to you. And if you're not sure, you're not sure what to do, let me know. And I'd be happy to help. I'm thinking this is not going to work. April 13th, it's going to have to be after that. So I'm actually going to change that to, let's see. We'll figure this out right now. So April 13th is a week. So I'm going to do it until April 20th. So let's go ahead and we'll change it right now. April 20th. 8 a.m. So you actually have almost 2 weeks to get it done from Monday. Technically, it's not signed until Friday, so you'll have like a week to get it done. But I really look forward to what you guys submit. And again, if you go to my assignments and you go there, there's the parent functions project, and all the information you need is on there, although I am going to change the due date to the 20th. And this is what it will look like. You do need to submit the project on here. And if you want information on how it's graded, the rubric is right here. And this is how I'll be grading you on it. It does need to be on time, so be cognizant of that. And it is not optional. So hopefully the work this week, I don't think it's too much. I think it can be fun. And I hope you kind of enjoy different things that I'm trying out with our work this week. I miss you guys lots. If you want to come join for conversation or Kahoot, or we did quizzes on Friday. I am live on Teams from noon to 1 every day, Monday through Friday. It kind of tells you how to do it here. Duval Homeroom Southside Community, you go to Hidden Channels and select Math, and then I'm there for my live office hours every day. So miss you guys. Hope you're doing well. Oh, I have to show you this exciting tidbit of information. We have a new family member. You guys have been begging me to have kids, some of you. But Coach and I have taken the next step. And where's the picture? We are getting a dog. Coach is actually getting him right now. There he is. We don't have a name for sure yet, but we're really excited, and I'm hoping that he'll get on some lives with us this week, our new little puppy. So hope you guys have a have had a great weekend. I hope life is kind of continuing on and you're having some sense of normalcy, because I know the world is crazy right now. I definitely had a stressed out day yesterday just because I was worried, and just it's a lot of stuff going on right now. But thinking about you guys a lot, miss you a lot, and best of luck on your work this week. Please let me know if you need anything.